Welcome to Health Academy. Health Academy is a channel that shares tons of knowledge about all aspects of health, including wellness, beauty, diseases, food, and other related topics. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell because we upload multiple contents every single day. We also publish full online courses and advanced master classes in our channel for free. In this video, we will discuss the top liquids that you can use for your smoothies to gain maximum benefits. So without further ado, let's jump right in. When you create your smoothie, you will likely be super excited as you think about all the different types of fruits and vegetables you can put in. This is what is going to dictate the main flavor of your drink and also provide most of the goodness, so no wonder it's exciting letting those creative juices flow. But while you're at it, try not to overlook the boring part of your smoothie either, the liquid. This might just be water, but it's actually one of the most important ingredients in there. And actually, this area allows for a little creativity too. The role of your liquid is of course to provide the fluidity of your drink. This is what makes it a drink, and otherwise it would be a kind of strange mash. Of course, it's up to you whether you prefer a smoothie to be very runny or a little thicker, so choosing the quantity of your liquid is going to be a big area where you can right away influence the outcome. At the same time, your liquid will also make your smoothie hydrating while affecting the flavor itself. As we'll see in a second, some liquids can have a big impact on the way a smoothie functions and tastes. Here are your top liquid picks for your smoothies. 1. Water. Boring, old water is perhaps the best choice of liquid if you want your smoothie to be optimally hydrating. It also helps some elements to dissolve and improves your digestion. What's more, is that its plain flavor allows you to be more experimental when combining fruits and vegetables later on. It's a great pick for green smoothies. 2. Tea. Yep, you can also add tea to your smoothie. This might be an iced tea or it might be a green tea. Either way, this makes your tea more energizing thanks to the caffeine content, and that also has potent antioxidant and neuroprotective properties too. Oh, and it tastes great. 3. Ice. Ice will make your smoothie much colder and almost like a cocktail to drink. When you blend the ice, you can make a kind of slush puppy that is a lot of fun and a great way for parents to get their kids to drink smoothies. What's more, is that the coldness of ice actually gets your body's metabolism working overtime. This in turn means that it will increase its metabolism and have a thermogenic effect, leading to increased fat burning and weight loss. See, I told you that the liquid could be exciting too. 4. Milk. While we're at it, adding milk to your smoothie is a great way to completely alter the flavor and make it much smoother and creamier. Because milk is a source of fat, this can improve your absorption of various nutrients too, the fat-soluble vitamins in particular, and it can also provide you with a great source of protein, of healthy cholesterol, which boosts testosterone and calcium. If you have any comments, suggestions and reactions, let us know in the comment section below. We will be posting more videos about these topics and other contents related to health and wellness, so make sure to subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up to help our channel grow. See you in our next videos.